Today I'm going to show you how to do a pop zero round for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony Medina and welcome to Upraiz Tricking. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a pop zero round, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have completed level 1.3. If you have not, you can click right there for that level. Welcome to level 1.4, where we get into what I like to call zero kicks. Now the reason why I like to call them zero kicks is because they have a 0-degree rotation. So they're basically just jump kicks, but they're really good to use as a progression tool. When you start this move, you're going to be starting in a front side stance looking forward at your target. You're going to then jump off both legs at the same time into your front side pop and throw your round kick. Then land with your non-kicking leg followed by your kicking leg into a front side stance. Or if you want, you can let your kicking leg follow through all the way back around to a backside stance. So let's go ahead and break this move down into progressions. The first progression is going to be a pop round kick. The second progression is going to be a pop round follow through. And basically you're just doing a pop round, but you're going to be kicking while you're in the air. Let's check those out one more time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to support this channel just a little bit more, you can visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. And just by pledging $1 a month, you give me the ability to keep this content coming. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be going over Next, we'll be learning a cheat zero round, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.
Freezing.